Hello gamers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix server issues on Marvel Rival. So if you do have server connection problems, this video might be for you. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's dive into it. First thing you're going to want to do is open CMD. Search, that's command prompt. So it's right here. So I'm just going to open command prompt. And after opening command prompt, you're just going to want to type ipconfig /release and then enter. So this will release your current IP config. So after that, you're going to type ipconfig/renew. So this is going to renew your IP. So then after that, you're just going to press enter. So after that, you're going to type ipfig/flash DNS. And then this is just going to flash the DNS and remove the check on your DNS. So here we go. Press enter after that and successfully it is done. So you can switch off your router and restart it and your PC as well. And then try to connect. And if it does persist, try to reset your network. Go to your networks and reset the internet settings and reset the router as well. Thank you for watching.